Soyez les bienvenus aux classes de JSS2. La date aujourd'hui c'est vendredi le 21e août l'an 2020. Le titre c'est l'expression j'ai honte de, je suis fier de, j'ai horreur de. Okay, welcome to French class this morning. Today date is Friday 21st August 2020. We're looking at the expressions this morning. Okay, I am ashamed of, I am proud to say, and I eat. Okay, that's the expression we're looking at this morning. Remember in our last class, we will look at some expressions on I am ashamed of, okay, I am proud of, and now we're looking at the expressions on I eat. Okay, so I broke it down so that you're able to get the lessons very well. That's why I didn't take everything once. So this morning we're looking at interesting parts of it. I'll say j'ai oro do I it. Okay, so when making use of oro, you make use of the verb in infinitive form or the pronoun or the name. Okay, example of verb in infinitive form: we have avoir, manger, regarder, danser, parler. But that is the verb. So the verb must be in infinitive. It should not be conjugated. Did you get me? Verb should not be conjugated, be in infinitive form. Or you can use pronoun. Okay, we can use a pronoun. Okay, for it also. Or we can use a name of a person. I'm making use of this expression Jiro. Okay, let's look at an example. Jiro d'avoir beaucoup d'enfants. Jiro d'avoir beaucoup d'enfants. Okay, you can repeat after me. Jiro d'avoir beaucoup d'enfants. I hate to have many children. Okay, is a sentence. Okay, you can say I hate to have many pencils. Okay, Jiro d'avoir beaucoup les crayons. I hate to have many pencils. Or you can say I hate to have more than 5 textbooks. Okay, you can try that on your own. Okay, Joro d'avoir beaucoup d'enfants. You can see it there. I make use of, okay, I make use of an infinitive verb there, avoir. Avoir. See, the avoir is not conjugated. I hope you can remember to conjugate the verb avoir. J'ai, tu as, il a, elle a. I didn't conjugate the verb avoir there. See, it's being used in infinitive form. There's an example of verb in infinitive form. So you can say, you can put any verb. I ate to eat much. Okay? You can, I hate to eat much. You can put any verb there. Okay? Okay, number 2. Let's look at number 2. Joro do la mèche. I hate to admit this. Okay? I hate to admit this. And maybe in a conversation, the person is trying to go against your way or enforce some words to you and enforce some issues against you. You are going to say, Joro do admit. I hate to admit this. Okay, number 3, Joro do sa. I hate this. Okay? Joro do sa. I hate this. Joro de la politique. Joro de la politique. Okay, is that so? Is that way? Joro de la politique. I hate politics. Okay, if that is yours also. Number 5, Joro de cette expression. I hate this expression. Okay, for example, an expression is that Mr. Salami kicked the bucket yesterday at 4 p.m. I hate such expression. Joro de cette expression. I hate this expression. Okay, I don't want to hear such issue. No. Okay, Joro de cette expression. Number 6, Joro de page. I hate to lose. Okay, Joro de page. Yes, everybody wants to be a winner. Everybody wants to win. I want to gain. J'ai gagné. I won. Okay, Joro de page. Truly, I hate to lose. Okay, devoir de la maison, your assignment, compléter les phrases. We should look at some expressions. Okay, yeah, you have to go to complete this phrase. Remember, we're being on expressions, others why in French, so you're going to complete it. Je crains que, je peux que, je honte de, je suis fier que, je redo. Okay, so you have to fill in. Remember, je crains que, you remember the meaning? The meaning is I am afraid that, je peux de, I am afraid of. Okay, je honte de, I am ashamed of. Je suis fier de, I hope you can still remember the meaning. Jorodo. I hope that is the main topic we're looking at today. Jorodo. I ate. Okay, so that is a devoir. You have to fill in the complete the sentence, complete the sentence. Jekwenko puts a sentence in this box. That's what I meant. Okay, you can say QU apostrophe. So the word should begin with a vowel. Okay, the word that is right there, QU is the apostrophe. The words, many words you are going to put the first letter there should begin with a vowel. So that's what it's all about. Okay, merci beaucoup. A bon passé weekend. Au revoir.